have much time, but I'm just being stared at. This is the old, remember this unit? I think it's like a 2012 unit. Let's see. It is, 2012. Yeah. 36,000 BTU, I think. I don't remember. Anyways. You can barely. It's actually pretty quiet. Let me get some pictures. Data shot. Get a nice shot of the unit itself. Hopefully this time it chooses a good thumbnail. I don't have time. I have at least till my dad and my mom come pick me up. I just walked over here and then went over there to Alliance Fire Protection Services, whatever that company is. I have some more time. I'll get a nice shot. That's warm air. It needs to be cleaned, actually. Don't know what that all is on the side. It might be dirt. Kind of a weird install. I mean, it makes sense though where that is. So, that's about it. I'll just wait. Since there's not much to show you, I'll show you some bit more. Because the place might be closing soon. It's open right now though, which is the thing about it. They must be closed actually already. I got some time anyways. It's a nice 2012 Carrier. It's a pretty nice unit actually. I got all the pictures I need. Anyways, then I'll get a nice shot and I'll show you what's on the top if you have not seen the other video. You can see if it can kind of see it. The pain, it looks like. Alright, see you guys next video. Gotta walk all the way to the car now. Huh?